Good morning, and today we will be taking a quick look at the German Heer MG42 team by Warlord Games for bolt action. Let's see if I can get this open. Yep. Oh, Becky, thank you very much. Actually easier to open than when Stu packs them. So we get the large base. Oh. And not what I was hoping for. We get a spotter, loader and gunner, and it's only the gunner that has head swaps, which is going to make things a little difficult because these are not going to have German helmets. So maybe a conversion or a figure swap, depending on what I have available. So as you can see, a little bit sprue flash, or whatever you want to call it. No real issues. Again, no issues really with the castings themselves. These are all very clean castings. Just the usual vent parts. So let's see. If I remember correctly, this is designed to be fired from prone position with this clip. So it would be something along those lines. Firing. So we'll be back in a moment with some completed models. And yeah, sharp-eyed among you will notice that these are Sikh turbans, because these models are representing a machine gun team from the Free India Legion, who initially were just part of the Werschmidt. They were eventually elevated to become an SS division, the only non-European unit to do so. I'll be back soon when they're painted. Thank you.